Hello everyone, welcome to SNS Mindmatics Academy. Today we are going to solve the cube root of 1442897 by Vedic math. So let us keep the answers ready of cubes of from number 1 to 10. Okay, so here we have kept it ready. So let us see how to do this. First we have to make 3 digits a group. Okay, so here 897 one group, 442 one group, and the last digit 1 is one group. Okay, so first let us take this group. Okay, this number is 897 ending with 7. Here we need to check in the answer which number has the last digit 7. So here we have 7, 27. So this is the cube of 3. So we will take this one 3. Next 1. So we have to check 1 is a cube of which number. So 1 is a cube of 1 only. So we are taking 1 here. So now we have to check this middle numbers 442 which we don't know and we need to identify. Okay. So now this 1 is called first number which we don't know is called middle number and 3 is called last number. Okay, so how to solve this? So first we need to take the question number, that is 1442897 minus last number cube, that is 3 cube. Okay, so 1442897 minus 3 cube, that is 27. See, 3 cube is 27. So we have to minus 27 from this number. So if you minus 27 from this number, we will get 1442870. Okay. So now let us identify what is this m. So m equals to 3l square. That is, so we are writing this 3 as it is. L square. L square means this last number. L means last number square. That is 3 square. Okay. So 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. 9 3s are 27. We got the answer 27. Now we need to identify. So here we need to take the second digit from the last. Okay. So here we have 7. Okay, in this 7, last digit, here the last digit is 7. So, in the 7 table, when do we get 7 or in any number, last digit should be 7. So, we have 7 ones are 7, right? 7 ones are 7, correct? So, this 1 is the middle number. 1 is the middle number. So, what is the number here? The answer number is first number 1, second number, the middle number is 1 and the last number is 3. This is our answer. Thank you.